Picoscopy and quantum entanglement, revolutionizing pharmaceuticals. The field of picoscopy and quantum entanglement is making waves in the world of science and technology, and it has the potential to revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry as well. This is due to the unique properties of quantum entanglement, which allow for an unprecedented level of precision and control in molecular and cellular processes. In the pharmaceutical industry, picoscopy and quantum entanglement can be used to design and develop new drugs with increased efficacy and reduced side effects. The ability to precisely control molecular and cellular processes opens up new avenues for the development of targeted and personalized medicine. For example, by using picoscopy to manipulate electron entanglement in specific cells or tissues, scientists can selectively target and modify certain processes without affecting other parts of the body. In addition, picoscopy and quantum entanglement have the potential to significantly increase the speed and accuracy of drug discovery and development. Thanks to the ability to precisely control molecular and cellular processes, scientists can quickly test and validate new drug candidates, reducing the time and resources required for drug development. Consequently, the science of picoscopy and quantum entanglement could have a significant impact on the pharmaceutical industry. By enabling new levels of precision and control in molecular and cellular processes, it has the potential to revolutionize the way new drugs are designed, developed, and tested. As this field continues to evolve, we can expect to see exciting new advances that will shape the future of medicine and improve the lives of people around the world. Picoscopy is a scientific field that involves using ultra-fast lasers to manipulate the electronic and vibrational properties of materials at the nanoscale. This technology can be used to study the behavior of molecules, cells, and tissues with unparalleled precision and resolution, enabling scientists to better understand the complex processes that underlie many diseases. Quantum entanglement, on the other hand, refers to the phenomenon where two particles become linked in a way that their properties become correlated. This means that the state of one particle is dependent on the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This property allows for an unprecedented level of precision and control in molecular and cellular processes, which can be used to develop new drugs with increased efficacy and reduced side effects. By combining the principles of picoscopy and quantum entanglement, scientists can study the behavior of molecules and cells in real time and with unprecedented precision. This opens up new avenues for the development of targeted and personalized medicine, as well as the discovery of new drug candidates. The ability to precisely control molecular and cellular processes also has the potential to significantly reduce the time and resources required for drug development, which could make new treatments more accessible and affordable for patients. Overall, the field of picoscopy and quantum entanglement is still in its early stages of development, and there is much more research and development that needs to be done. However, the potential benefits of this technology for the pharmaceutical industry are significant, and it is likely that we will see continued advances in this area in the coming years.